Hi, this is Pallavi Verma, and in my previous videos, I have shown you how we can write a code for a single inheritance and its debugging part. So, in this video, I will be covering multi-level inheritance. So, let's get started. So, first thing that I want to tell you is what kind of structure multi-level inheritance has. So, suppose we have 3 or more classes. So we have class A, we have class B and class C. When class B wants to extend the properties of class A, there is a concept of inheritance, which is a single inheritance. When class C also wants to inherit the properties of class B, then multi-level inheritance comes into the picture. So, it would be like this. So, this is basically a simple diagram for the understanding of multi-level inheritance. Now, go back to the code. I have my package here. I will be creating a class. Let's say multi-level, and I will include my main method. So like the diagram that I have shown you, I'm gonna create a class base and 2 more classes. So let's say child, this could be maybe extender. Child I already have in the same package, so let's say child 2. And inside the base class, as a property, I'm gonna give no method. So that would be also a console log. I'm not gonna perform any action right now. So public void base and the logs. Inside the base method. Now, same thing I'll do with rest of the classes. So maybe child method let's say extend method. So here it will be ext. Now this child who wants to inherit the property of class base, then how we would do it? That I told you in my previous video for the single inheritance. So we need to use the keyword extends. Extends and the parent class name, which is base. So now this child 2 would be able to access the property of class base. Now this extender wants to inherit the property of class child 2. So again the same thing, extends and child 2. Now when it comes to this multi-level, we have our main method. So how we would call it? So since child 2 is acquiring all the properties of base class and extender is acquiring the property of the child class, and child class already holding the properties of base. So we need to create the object of the extender. So I create the object of the extender. So we have created the object of the extender, which will display all the methods acquired by child 2 and extenders. So let's see. It has base class. It has a child method And let's check, yeah, ext method. So like this, we can access our methods. Ext dot spelling mistake method. Yeah, it would be good. Now let's run. So this is how you can work with your multi-level inheritance. I hope you like this video. We will connect in our next video. Thank you.